In our fast-paced digital world, soaring power demands require data centers to deploy highly efficient, reliable, and scalable cooling systems, or they risk high energy costs, overheating, and catastrophic downtime. Mitsubishi Electric's MEWALL redefines high-density cooling capacity to meet the increasing demands on hyperscale and colocation data centers. Achieve greater cooling efficiency and precise airflow management across the entire data hall with a hot-cold aisle layout suitable for taller, more dense server racks. Highly efficient EC fans optimize energy use by adjusting to airflow needs. The MEWALL's multi-fan setup and 2 independent cooling modules ensure uninterrupted cooling. MEWALL is designed specifically for the higher air intake temperatures of IT equipment. Further efficiency is gained when combined with a chiller designed to operate at higher water temperatures. An electronic pressure-independent valve monitors cooling performance and maintains a constant water flow regardless of variations in pressure. Ensure reliable operation with built-in redundancy and fail-safe features. A dual power supply with a factory-installed automatic transfer switch maintains power if an outage occurs. Restart time is minimized with UltraCap or external power-ready options to keep control systems running. No raised floor or side clearance is needed. Mechanical gallery installation maximizes the usable white space for IT equipment. Shorten installation time with integral piping and control valves, featuring flange and Victaulic connections. Minimize downtime with easy access and hassle-free maintenance. Electrical components, filters, fans, and coil cleaning are all accessible via the pivoting fan panel. Operate and monitor all MEWALL functions with a state-of-the-art touchscreen controller. Designed to work together with additional MEWALL units and with the ability to connect to your building management system via the communications interface. MEWALL, the most reliable cooling solution for hyperscale, high-density, and large colocation data centers.